in a glen named Jingleville, where the snowflakes twirled, lived Twinkle and Jingle in a holiday world. Past twinkling homes wrapped up in glowing light, where families laughed beneath the snowy night. One snowy night, with hearts full of cheer, they coloured bright pictures of cookies they loved each year. They drew gingerbread cookies with icing so sweet, sprinkles and swirls and tiny round feet. They looked at their drawings and shouted, "Hooray! Let's show Grandma these cookies we drew today." Grandma chuckled.
Well, look at you two. Those cookies look tasty, all sparkly and new. I've got a recipe, perfect indeed, for cookies like these, but there's one little need. My recipe book I can't seem to find. It's hiding somewhere or left behind.
Twinkle gasped, "We'll find it, don't worry." Jingle nodded, "We'll search in a hurry." They peeked in cupboards, checking high and low, behind every chair. Under the table, they looked everywhere, till Jingle called out, "Grandma, come see! Your book is in a box beneath the Christmas tree." Grandma beamed.
You found it, my dears. Now cookies await us. Bring on the cheers.
Twinkle and Jingle, a baking pair, ready to create with love to spare. With ginger and spice, the aroma so fair, they mixed and stirred with utmost care. The scent of cookies, sweet and neat, danced around them in a delightful treat. Into the oven the cookies did glide, awaiting the magic side by side.
Keep an eye on the oven,
Grandma warned them clear.
or these round little cookies might burn, I fear.
They waited in the kitchen by the warm oven's glow, but grew a bit restless. The minutes moved too slow. So they wandered off together, hoping something anew would keep their reindeer hooves busy with a fun activity or two. They built a tall house from playing cards, each tower rising as if lifted by stars. They played with a train set, circling around, chugging in loops with a soft humming sound. They read a warm tale from a Christmas book, with pictures so charming they just had to look. Then they drew Christmas scenes with colours so fine, until they sniffed a smell burning, an awful sign. Lost in their joy, art and play, they didn't notice how much time slipped away, till Grandma gasped with a startled shout,
Oh, my little ones, your cookies are out.
They turned to see Grandma, worried and stern, holding a tray where every cookie was burned. But Grandma chuckled,
My dears, don't fear. There's always more Christmas magic here. The first ones were round, as simple as can be. But look what I found in the box under the tree. Now we can make cookies in every design. A reindeer, a snowflake, a tree so fine.
Twinkle gasped, they look just like our art. Jingle beamed, let's bake them again and make a new start. Their spirits lifted with sparkle anew. They rolled fresh dough and made batch 2. Stars, trees and gingerbread men in a tiny array, shaped by the cutters in the happiest way. Into the oven the new batch slid, and this time nothing broke their grid. They watched the timer steady and true, no playful distractions, just teamwork too. Ding! The cookies came out perfect and bright, golden and crisp, such a beautiful sight. They frosted the cookies in colours sweet, red, green and white, in a swirling treat. Twinkle beamed, these turned out just right. Jingle laughed, they're better than our first try tonight. Grandma smiled,
See, my dears, it's perfectly clear. Trying again brings new ideas near.
so the baking was saved, and the holiday too, with cookies more lovely than the first batch brew. They shared them proudly with grandparents that night, with cocoa and marshmallows in soft candle light. They learnt that mistakes aren't the end of the fun. You just try again, and soon you've won. And every Christmas they remember that night, when burnt little cookies turned out all right. So when things go wrong or don't feel quite smart, try again and joy will return to your heart. The end.